All right, well, today is November 22nd, Thanksgiving Day. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. And we're looking at the skies over Southern California again today. And we had a quarter-inch of rain last night, overnight, starting around 11 o'clock. And that has ended. And what's happening, if you take a look at the western U.S. water vapor and IR maps, you'll see that the jet stream, that is the tropical flow moving in on the jet stream, the Pineapple Express that brought us this rain, area of high pressure has been installed right over Southern California and a portion of Central California, and that has pushed the jet stream flow, the tropical Pineapple Express flow to the south, so we're not getting any more rain. We do have some natural clouds in the sky, and we can see that here. The problem is that these residual clouds used to bring us rain. We'd have the main event, and then we'd have a couple of days afterward of periodic follow-up rainfall. But as we can see here, we've got chemtrails in the skies. We have aerosols that have been sprayed over the tops of these clouds. So these aerosols are sprayed at the upper level, and that causes the capping inversion layer. This has nothing to do with the solar radiation. We're getting cloud cover and shade from these natural clouds. So that argument that Mr. Wigington continues to make is false. It's misleading. There's no he has no way to prove that. There's no basis for that assertion. You have to be able to prove what you're telling people, and he's maintaining that these are for these aerosols are being sprayed for solar radiation management. Well, that's baloney, because we know that we see these aerosols sprayed at night routinely. Anybody that looks up in the sky can see that. So there's all the evidence that I've gathered, that we've gathered here on this channel, demonstrates that the only purpose for these aerosols is to modify weather and not modify sunlight. We've got cloud cover right over here modifying sunlight. That's what clouds do. They deliver water vapor and rain. They should deliver rain when there's enough of them, and the dew point and the relative the relative humidity is all correct and all that. Here we see a plane right here spraying. All right, so we got a quarter-inch of rain. The spigot's been turned off. We have a chemtrail haze, and the transmitters have installed a high-pressure area right over a low, which is now moving east over California. We had a developing storm showing up on the surface analysis map last night. That low is now passing right through California, and there is a transmitter right on top of that vortex. And the high pressure generated from that activity has pushed, as I mentioned, the Pineapple Express float further south. So all that moisture is moving into Mexico and a portion of the San Diego area. So here we see the chemtrail haze right over these natural clouds. We have no more precipitation on the horizon. So we got a quarter-inch. Okay, happy Thanksgiving.